Top passive income methods, how to make passive income online the easy way. Passive income is a topic that is gaining immense popularity these days. The popularity of such kinds of income streams is mainly due to their ease of operation and the guaranteed flow of money over a long period of time. Many people have started to explore the concept of passive income in the last few years. Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about top passive income methods, how to make passive income online the easy way. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand, so for now just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. As the world has entered into recession, the job scenario has weakened to a great extent. Therefore, people are finding it difficult to secure good jobs, and many are also looking for alternate sources of earning income that can help them fulfill their needs and requirements. Passive income online offers an ideal alternative to people looking for extra sources of earning income. You need not invest a single penny to start this online business. Online passive income offers the opportunity to earn money for a whole year and continue earning online uninterruptedly for a whole week every month. The passive income from such a source of income usually comes from interests on loans, royalties, dividends, etc. from various internet-based businesses. These businesses include AdSense, affiliate programs, insurance leads, property investment programs, content publishing, etc. There are many more ways of making a considerable amount of passive income online. One such way is to make passive income online by using dropshipping. Dropshipping involves the selling of products from a supplier online to the end user who has ordered the product online. The end user then packs and boxes the product and delivers the same directly to the buyer. The difference between the price and the retail price is your profit, which you have been paid by the supplier. Dropshipping is perfect for making passive income online. It helps you in saving a lot of time and money as well. For example, if you are on a reputed website and want to sell a particular product, it will take you a lot of time to physically go to the shop and physically find the product yourself. This is because of the various hassles that may be involved, and you may not even be able to sell a single item. But dropshipping allows you to place your order online and have the product delivered right to your doorstep without any hassle. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another way of making passive income online. This is a very easy method of generating money. You can simply join any one of the affiliate networks like ClickBank, Linkshare, Pay.com, etc., and place your ads on their pages. When a visitor clicks on your ad, you get paid a small commission. You can make money in various ways. You can get started with affiliate commissions by just joining a few affiliate networks. Amazon FBA. If you have your own online store or blog and want to make passive income online, then you can start with Amazon FBA. You need to find an affiliate program related to your website. The best thing about Amazon FBA is that you don't need to keep any inventory, customer service, or ship charter. All you have to do is simply list the products for sale on your website and receive a commission from every sale. Drop shipping and online courses. You can make passive income online through drop shipping and online courses also. Dropshipping involves selling a product online, while online courses teach how to create an online business by creating an e-commerce site. There are several online courses available in the market today. You can easily make money through these courses and drop shipping too. There are numerous other ways of earning passive income online. However, these are some of the most common methods. It is always better to learn from experienced people who have years of experience in online business. Therefore, you should always look for these kinds of gurus on the internet. Thanks for watching my video about top passive income methods, how to make passive income online the easy way. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.